Hello everyone, this is Dr. Gourav Shrivastava, Assistant Professor, Sage University, Bhopal. My today's topic is Introduction to Arrays. So, first, have a look on this student details program. Here, we have declared two variables for roll number and marks. And in this program, we are going to print the roll number and marks of a single student. Now, if we want to take, store, and display the details of 5 students, we have to declare 5 variables for roll number and 5 variables for marks. And again, we have to use printf function for printing the all 10 variables for these 5 students. But what about the details of 50 of or 500 students? Now suppose you want to print the roll number and marks of a 500 students. You are supposed to declare 500 variables for roll number and 500 variables for marks. But this is not a feasible solution. So can we do this? Here we are having different roll numbers. Can we store these roll numbers in a single variable? Suppose say R. Yes, yes. This is possible by using the concept of array. So basically, array is a fixed size sequence collection of elements of the same data type, or you can say that it is a variable which can store multiple data of same type. So here you can recall the memory allocation. Here x is an integer type variable. It means that a location is assigned to variable x to store the integer values. Now you are assigning 25 to x. It means the value 25 is stored in the location of the x. Now if you are writing x is equal to x plus 2, it means the previous value of x will be replaced by the new value. So previously 25 is stored in the x and now you are adding 2 in the 25. So it becomes 27. So here the previous value 25 is replaced by the new value, that is 27. So when we want to declare the array, so we have to specify the type of the array, its size and its name. So here integer is a type of array, x is a name of array and 5 is the size of array. So when you are declaring the array of integer type which has size 5, so it assigns the 5 locations to the variable x, that is your array. So one point you have to remember always that the location of array is always starting from the 0. Suppose if you are assigning 5 to the array size, it will start by the 0. So the last location will be 4. So now suppose if you are going to assign the value 9 to the x2 location, you have to write x2 is equal to 9. So 9 is stored in the x2 location. Now suppose if you want to add 5 in the value which you have stored in the x2 location, you just write x0 is equal to x2 plus 5. It means the value 9 is stored in the x2 location. So the value will be stored in x0 will be the value stored in x2 location, that is 9. Now you are adding the 5. So 9 plus 5 becomes 14. So 14 will be stored in the x0 location of the array. Suppose now if you want to scan the value stored in the x4 location, so you have to use scanf. Percentage d is used because the array is integer type and you can take the value from x4 location by using AND x4. Now, if you suppose if you want to print the value stored at the 0 location, what you will do? You will just write printf %d is used for the integer type. And now, if you want to print the value stored at 0 location, then you have to write x0. Fine. So this is the concept of array. Thank you. Stay tuned and subscribe to Sage University Bhopal for more interesting videos. In our next topic, we will see one-dimensional array and two-dimensional array. Thank you.